Hyaluronic Fix Extreme range from Nip+Fab. I'm going in with the cleanser. And then it's the daily pads, the micellar cleansing pads. And remembering that these products are vegan and cruelty-free. Nip+Fab and fun. And this is the fun bit, wait for it. So you get your spatula, these gel pads. Ooh, look. Ready? There's one. Ooh. So these stay on for about 15 minutes. Now, the whole range is designed to completely rehydrate the skin, and it's been clinically proven that as soon as you start using these products, the immediate effect is 150% hydration. I'm going in with the extreme concentrate. Now this is going to lift and plump, my skin all day. Oh gosh, I can feel this working immediately. So we've got polyglutamic acid and tremella in all these products, as well as the hyaluronic. So the next stage is to go for the hydrating serum. So the serum balances your complexion, and if you've got any acne scars or any dry spots or any redness, it's going to calm it all down, soothe it and rehydrate completely. And finally, the icing on the cake. This is the hybrid gel cream, and this is going to give the total luminous effect to finish off and absolutely, I'm going to use what's on the top of there actually. And to finish off the routine, to seal in all the goodness, all the hydration that you've been giving yourself with this routine. I'm so messy. So perfect after your skincare routine. So this has made my skin feel really great, because at this time of year, everything just gets really dry, especially with the change in temperatures. It's all over the place. And yeah, I'm really pleased with the way my skin looks.